All right, so yesterday we talked about adding integers. So we might have had 2 plus -5, and we would just combine everything, right? We would still mark off our zero pairs. Well, today we're subtracting integers. So when we have a double negative, we really need to change that to a positive. So 3 minus -4 is really 3 plus 4. Okay, you're adding the opposite. So let's see why that is. So I have 3 positives, and I need to take away 4 negatives. Well, I don't have any negatives to take away. So I need to come up with some zero pairs, because if we give anything 0, it's not going to change it, right? So I need to give this some zero pairs. So I'm going to give it 4 zero pairs. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, because I want to pair each one of those up with a blue or a positive. So now I have 3, and I'm going to take away 4, okay? So I'm going to take away this one, I'm going to take away this one, and this one, because I'm taking away 4 negatives. And look what I'm left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm left with 7, which is the same as 3 plus 4, okay? Now, what I was saying is yesterday, this is what we were coming in and doing. Yesterday, we were doing things like 2 plus -3. Okay? And that's where you would, have everything out here because you're combining things. And then when I'm combining things, I can still get my zero pair. So then there's a zero pair, there's a zero pair. I would be left with -1. But today we're doing subtraction. Okay? So let me pull this, well, there we go. Pull that up there. I'm going to start over and show one more. So let's see. I am going to show -2 minus -5. Okay, so I have 2 negatives, and I need to take away 5 negatives. Well, I need 3 more to be able to do that, because right now I only have 2. So I'm going to come up with 3 zero pairs. And so now I have 5 that I can take away. So I've got -2, and I'm going to take away -5. So I'm going to take 5 negatives away. So there's my 5 negatives going away. I'm left with 3 positives. So if you look, you can change this to -2 plus 5, which is in fact 3. So we add the opposite. So we add the opposite of -5, which is +5. And that's all you have to do.